Hi, I'm Todd Mao, Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Roush Clean Tech here at the Southeast Propane Show in Nashville. We've got a really cool new truck for the propane industry. So this is a Class 4 and 5 service truck, or it could be a tank setting truck or a mini bobtail. The industry, which has been so gracious to us over the years in buying this Class 4 or 5 truck from us, had asked for a saddle mount tank so that we don't have to extend the CA, the length of the truck, to keep it maneuverable. So we're showcasing our brand new 35 usable gallon tank that mounts on this F450 550. This runs solely on propane. And we are very connected with Ford Motor Company, so we redo the calibration, the fuel system, mount the tank while still maintaining Ford's warranty. And as you can see, this is a service truck where a propane marketer would have either a crane or they'd have a tank, a 500 gallon or a 1,000 gallon tank in the center of the service body to deliver it to a customer for uses of burning propane. So again, this is a new innovation for us in regards to where the tank mounts. And what we've heard over time was we want a truck that's seamless to diesel, but we want to run the fuel that we sell and market every day, and this allows the propane marketers to do that. Same horsepower and torque as the equivalent gasoline engine, so 320 horsepower, 457 foot-pounds of torque. Can be serviced at any Ford dealership once we've trained them. Again, we want to make sure they're trained before the truck goes in, so whoever your service provider is today, let us know and we'll send our folks in ahead of time before the truck arrives to make sure they're comfortable with that transition to propane in their service shop. From a driver perspective, drives just like a gasoline truck would, so same horsepower, same torque, same towing capability. And this variant, this engine, 6.8 V10 3-valve and 6R transmission, we've got in over 10,000 school buses around the country with Bluebird. So it's a very tried and true technology, albeit a different tank placement, but the calibration and engine setup is very experienced to us. We've got almost 400 million miles worth of customer data running this powertrain combination. So we're excited to be here and look forward to selling many of these to the propane industry, and we appreciate the feedback from the marketers to bring this product to market. So beyond introducing this truck at the show, we also have a Class 6-7 bobtail truck, or it could be a cylinder exchange application. Same 6.8 3-valve V10 engine, 6R transmission. We actually sold quite a few of those around the country for bobtail applications. As I mentioned before, cylinder exchange, tank setting applications. We probably have 400 of those in operation within the propane industry. Other cool innovations, things we're working on at Roush. A NOx is always going to be a push, so getting the cleanest NOx engine in the marketplace is something we're striving for. 2017 model year engines will be at 0.05 grams of NOx, so 4 times cleaner than the standard. Why that's important? Because that should help us from the standpoint of visibility and awareness in the industry about how great propane is as an engine fuel, coupled with the Roush technology. As I mentioned before, the same engine and powertrain combinations in Bluebird school bus. So you guys have probably heard about the Volkswagen EMT funds that are becoming available. So those are all about NOx reduction, NOx mitigation. So the fact we've got the cleanest medium-duty NOx engine will help you guys unlock more gallons in the market. So pretty exciting from our perspective. We've got almost 10,000 school buses on the road, 650 school districts. So beyond buying these trucks for your fleet and operation, there's a huge opportunity outside the propane industry to go sell auto gas to commercial and school bus fleets. We did an analysis a couple weeks ago that with about 15,000 total vehicles on the road, we'll burn about 600 million gallons of propane through those vehicles. So we've heard from the marketers, how big is this market? Is it really worth us getting into? When we talk about 600 million gallons, huge potential and opportunity for the whole industry to get behind it and push and promote the products that we have and other technology providers have.